So today I'm going to be talking about a really fun website, an educational website that our students can use in the classroom. And it's called Starfall. So if you just go to starfall.com, you'll be taken to this screen. And as you can see, you could do kindergarten or pre-K or first, second, and third grade. So it's great for our younger kids. So I'm going to click on that. They have different subjects that you can have them play games or learn. So they have math. They have seasonal things, language arts, and music. I'm just going to go ahead and click on, let's just say, math. And it'll bring you to, these are the ones that are available as of right now. I think if you join, you might be able to unlock some more. So let's try Coin Monkey. And as you can see, it's a fun little game. So you click the monkey.
Help
Makes
Coin
them
Monkey
move.
find coins.
They explain the directions. And then it helps them count. So yeah, it's just a really fun educational website for our kids to use. So go ahead and check it out. It's starfall.com.